Hey guys, let's eat. So guys, today is something a little different. I'm kind of short. They have a mountain of food here. You have a little nature out here. So I hope you guys are enjoying the view. So it's almost about after 5 in the evening. So I said, you know what? Let's do a curry mukbang. I'm not home, but where I am, I always move with my ring light so we can eat for all here. Alright, so let's get a quick pairing. I'm in the Father, please bless my subscribers, my viewers, now shall boys separate to receive this. For sincerely wants to don't have bless the hands that made this food. Amen. So today we having some curry eggs, some curry smoked pork, we have curry liver, we have I got a nice cucumber chow salad here with onions, cucumbers, we have sweet peppers. So I can't wait to dig in. So let's just dig in, guys. Because I'm so hungry. It's so good. So, mixing up the little videos, and then these days, can do up, be one way. So if you see people passing up and down, guys, this is a good place. Look back, people coming. Right, so while you're recording and eating, it's so good. Guys, so I can see Jairel. Bye, Jairel. so Jared open a shop, so I'll be helping them most of the time. So, when you see me here, I'm helping them. Okay guys, so I have to go and tell somebody. Guys, I ran away and made this with busting. Because I like my studio better. Here I'm comfortable. But I still have to eat for you guys. Guys, our man now passed. And his expression like this. What the fuck she doing there? Oh my god, guys, let me hurry. You might be saying, everybody going mad in this pandemic. What we sell is what we drinking. So I've been doing a lot of short videos lately. Guys, and I did a video, the fastest chicken eater. And that video, thanks for all the support, guys. That video was 2 days ago, and I have 17K views on it. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you back tomorrow to another amazing video. Love you guys to the moon and back. Bye, guys.